Hey you guys, welcome back to another pin video. And I have a bunch of different Disney blind box pins from Box Lunch and Hot Topic. So all my boxes are in here, so I'm just gonna pull some out and open them and see what we get. And I have close to 600 pins, sorry. I might have to do a recount on my pins. I might have to erase what I have on my board and just like recount them afterwards at some point, or maybe do like a updated pin collection thing, because I ran out of space on my trading board next to me, so I put up a new board. So maybe I might get another cork board soon after I save my money, of course. And this year I'm gonna cut down on my pin spending money. So there'll probably be less pin box openings. Yeah, because I want to save my money for like a trip or something. So that's why I want to cut back on that. But if I do buy any pens, I'll just limit myself to 2 boxes instead of like 4 plus more, which I usually get. So, yeah. Okay. So, one of the boxes is Stitch, Leo and Stitch. And, like, they didn't have really good options this time when I went to those 2 stores. So this one was at Box Lunch. So this is the Stitch one. And you guys know I'm not a Stitch collector, but lately I've been buying like all the Loungefly Disney boxes. And what I'm doing with mine is I want to complete the full set of each one, even though I may not collect that series or that movie or character or whatever. And once I get the full set, then I'll put on my trading board afterwards. So I think that's like a good start, right? And then you can trade for the pins that you do want, which is nice. Okay. And then the other 2 options are the Star Wars one from Box Lunch. I don't know why it's like that, swap pins. Okay. Alright, but whatever. And this is like a puzzle one. And you guys know I'm not a Star Wars person either. So that was at Box Lunch. And then this was at Hot Topic. And there was like 6 left of these. So it's the Disney Princess. And they have 3 of my favorites, which is the bottom row. Like, I love Belle, Jasmine, and Ariel. Like, they put it in order, but in backwards order on mine. Like, you know, my favorite princesses. Yeah. So those are the ones that we're going to be opening today. And I believe there's 15 boxes, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to check my bag just to make sure I got all of them out. Oh! No. We got 16. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna double check in here. No, wait. How many boxes do I have? How many did I buy? This is a surprise to me. Hello. Okay. So I showed you 3 boxes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 boxes. Wow. I don't think I'm going to open all of them today. So what I'll do is I'll open 2 per what I have, so that we know what we're going to be doing today. Okay, a Stitch and one more princess. And I'll save the rest for another day. Or if I buy more, like I said. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Alright. Let me get these guys back in. And we'll start. I'm gonna start with Star Wars, since I don't care for Star Wars. Okay. Why is this tough? Why is that there? Why is this I don't get it. Okay. But alright. Let's see what we get today. And I got my coffee next to me. What the heck? This is the weirdest one ever. Okay. So we got somebody. Oh, it's upside down. So we got this guy right there, Baby Yoda, and it came like that. I don't like it when it's on the back of the card like that. I like the mystery cards. So, yeah, I think I'll probably end up trading these. Yeah, once I get this set. So we got Baby Yoda on that one. This is the way I like it, where you can stick your finger in, and then you can pull the blind bag out like this. Star Wars people, if you're still making these, put the pens in the blind bags, please. I don't like it on the back of card. No, okay, they don't like that. There. So, let's see. I'm gonna try to guess who this one is. Oh, this is the first one. It looks like Elvis. Yeah. So we got like Elvis. Alright. That's a nice one. Or is it? Put that in a blind bag. The only princess I don't want is Tiana, because I'm kind of mad at her right now. So, but I do want Belle, Jasmine, and Ariel. Like Belle and Jasmine and Ariel are like my main collection. But I have a lot of Beauty and Beast pens. So, let's see. Oh! And it has like a rose gold back to it. Oh, nice. Okay. Wait, I think this is Belle. Yay, it's Belle! She's my girl. Thank you. Oh, I'm so happy I got Belle. Yay. Yay for Belle. Woo. Okay, I gotta put these somewhere. I'm gonna put these right here on my keyboard pad so I know where they are. Okay, back to the stupid Star Wars stuff. They have to like glue these super tight. I don't like that. Okay. And I don't like the fact that I'm ripping the front, which is stupid. Okay, so we got that gold guy. So I don't know his name. So we got him. So that's cool. Oh, I just realized we got like the two that are next to each other, so that's funny. Alright. So back to Stitch. I'm just looking at the time. So if you see me like leaning in, I'm just looking at the time on my iPad here. Okay. So Stitch, we got. I think we got that one. Yep, I was right. So that one's kind of nice. Alright. And our last one, the princess. I hope it's Jasmine or Ariel. Anybody but Tiana. I do not like Tiana right now. Like, I did like her for a while until something last year happened. And, well, not last year, but this year, I think. Or was it last year? I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, we got Ariel. Yay! So we did good. No Tiana today. Woo! So if you like that pin opening, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below something. I don't know what you got for Christmas, I guess. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.